Hello, language learners. Welcome back to Vocab Stream, your reliable source for mastering the English language. We're here to simplify your learning journey, and today, we're focusing on an essential part, grammar. English grammar might seem complex at first, but when you start understanding the rules, it becomes a lot easier. In today's episode, we're covering mastering basic English grammar with these 10 simple rules. So, let's jump right in. Rule number 1. Subject-Verb Agreement. Always make sure the subject of your sentence matches the verb. For example, he walks to school or they walk to school. Remember, a singular subject needs a singular verb and a plural subject needs a plural verb. Rule number 2. Proper use of tenses. The tense of your verb indicates when the action is happening. Be consistent with your tense usage throughout your sentence or paragraph to avoid confusion. Rule number 3. Sentence order. The basic English sentence structure is subject, verb, object, often shortened to SVO. For example, John, subject, eats, verb, an apple, object. Rule number 4. The use of articles. A and N are indefinite articles and are used when you're referring to any member of a group. The is a definite article used when you're referring to a specific member of a group. Rule number 5. The correct use of adjectives and adverbs. Adjectives describe nouns or pronouns, while adverbs describe verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. The quick adjective. Cat jumped swiftly, adverb. Rule number 6. The placement of adjectives. In English, adjectives usually come before the noun they modify. For instance, I have a red car, not I have a car red. Rule number 7. Proper use of conjunctions. Conjunctions are words used to connect clauses or sentences. Common conjunctions include and, but, or, so. Be mindful not to overuse them in your sentences. Rule number 8. Prepositions and their objects. A preposition is always followed by a noun or pronoun, called the object of the preposition. For example, in the sentence he sat on the chair, on is the preposition and chair is its object. Rule number 9. Agreement between pronouns and antecedents. A pronoun should agree in number and gender with its antecedent. For example, John loves his dog. Here, his refers back to John. Rule number 10. Correct use of homophones. Homophones are words that sound the same but have different meanings and spellings. Be aware of the correct usage, like their versus their or its versus its. English grammar isn't something to be scared of. It's just a set of rules for us to communicate effectively. Keep practicing, and you'll master it in no time. So, that's it for today's episode on Vocab Stream. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more language learning content. Like this video, and remember to hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep learning and stay curious.